This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily for August 13th, 2026, and I'm Sam Abuel-Samad, Vice President of Market Research for Telemetry. It's been 1 year since Ford announced its universal electric vehicle platform would be produced using a new assembly process at its Louisville, Kentucky factory. In December 2025, Ford wound down production of the Escape and Lincoln Corsair crossovers at the plant and began gutting the 3 million square foot facility. After hauling away 25,000 tons of scrap metal from the old equipment, installation of the new equipment began. While Ford has never given an official on-sale date for the Fathom pickup, which is the first product from the new UEV platform, some previous comments had indicated that production would begin in late 2026 with deliveries in early 2027. That timing would have required pilot production to begin about now at the latest. However, with its latest update on the Louisville changeover, Ford has said that pilot production of the Fathom will begin with production intent parts in the first quarter of 2027. Given that there is usually at least a 6 to 9 month gap between early pilot builds and vehicles for customer delivery, it's likely we won't see customers getting the Fathom until at least September next year, and more likely sometime in the fourth quarter. That would put it roughly a year behind the launch of the new Slate electric truck. Ford is spending about $5 billion in total on this program, including the $2 billion each for the Louisville plant and the new Marshall, Michigan battery plant, along with at least $1 billion on the UEV development program. Ford has built about 100 integration prototypes of the Fathom, and they are currently being tested in numerous locations, including Michigan and California. The Fathom will be priced starting from $29,945, including delivery, but that model will be a shorter range variant, likely with 220 to 240 miles per charge. A version that goes about 300 miles will cost more, but that pricing hasn't been disclosed yet. Ford plans to start taking pre-orders early in 2027 and will likely reveal the Fathom before that happens, perhaps at the Los Angeles Auto Show in November or at CES in January. Ford has a very promising product with the Fathom and the overall UEV architecture. Now they need to execute on multiple aspects of an all-new vehicle, including the build process, the real pricing, and the all-new software. If they fumble on any of these, this whole effort may turn out to be for nothing. Thanks for listening.